Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Nubia Red Magic 7, and now I'll show you how to set up and how to use Nubia Share on this device. Firstly, you need to open Control Panel, then find Nubia Share, click and hold on it, wait a while, click Add or Verify, scroll down, click Agree, then opt Use Nubia Share. Here you can change your device name, you can change device visibility mode, visible for everyone, for example. And you can change data usage mode. I suggest to use data mode because it includes mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. Wi-Fi mode includes only Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, without internet only Bluetooth use. And that's it. Now we can send and receive data using Nubia Share. For example, if I want to send this image from my phone, from my OnePlus device to a Nubia device. So to share using Nubia Share from any Android device, you need to click Share button, then Nubia Share, then find your device among nearest and available devices. Click on your device, you can click accept on your device, and cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.